up, everybody? It's your girl, Lily Mae, and we're checking in from St. Louis, baby. We are at the first annual M.O.A.M. Media and Film Festival. But listen, shout out to Frank Mosley, because I think this is his cousin, but he don't know yet. But guys, this is Tim Mosley, and he is spectacular. He's amazing, and guess what? He is a 9-to-5er, but afterwards and all other times, he's a creative. Tim, welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate
Now tell everybody a little bit about the creative side of you. What do you do?
So basically what I do is I write, direct, act, produce, and everything else in between.
Now, for this film festival, you are featuring what film?
The film I'm featuring is called Cuffed Up.
Cuffed Up?
Cuffed Up.
Are you cuffed? All right, now hold on. Handcuffed or booed up? Ooh!
Wait a minute. Let me explain. Handcuffs. I mean, it's not what you think, but it is what you think.
Okay, so okay. Without giving it away, tell us what we can expect to see in Cuffed Up.
You can expect to see two people going at it like cats and mice, you know.
Oh, that's a little bad.
Well, so the bounty hunter.
Chase.
Well, yeah, the chase.
Okay.
And it's more of a mental game than it is a physical game.
Indeed it is.
Right. So he's trying to get her to get interested so he can find out if this is who he's looking for.
Okay.
So it's really a mind game.
Okay, all right. Now, guys, you have to understand that this is a spectacular event, and they're highlighting media and film. But Mr. Tim here has this film called Cuffed Up. So if you have ever been trying to get cuffed up, you might want to tap in and check in with Mr. Tim and check out Cuffed Up. Now, let everybody know where they can find you on social media and things of that nature.
Okay, on social media, I'm on Facebook. You can find me at Midwest Actor and Real Cinema 314. Also on Facebook. I'm on Twitter, Real Cinema 314, and I do believe I have an Instagram. I know, right? Real Cinema 314. Also.
Real Cinema 314.
Yes.
I love it. So guys, once again, we're checking in from the first Media and Film Festival, and it is sponsored by Artists United Network. You got MJ's Hip Hop Connect, and you got Soldierbyblood. So it's your girl Lily Mae, and we're signing out.